Hi guys, welcome back to the Inktober 2024 series. I know it's been a little bit of a while. Today's prompt is trek. Well, the prompt for day 6 is trek. I am just showing you a little bit about the process of how I go about deciding what to draw. Just do a quick Google search and see what I like. So I chose something relatively simple. It's a mountainous landscape with 2 people walking and some sort of animal in the distance. I just thought it's easier to draw when they're far away. And then going in with the inking. I know it really irks some people to see me using my fountain pen the wrong way round, the nib, but I just like using thinner lines, and I'm sorry if it makes you uncomfortable. Maybe I should just work with a thinner nib to begin with. But yeah, this is a Sailor Fude fountain pen. It's got variation in the line work depending on what angle you use the nib. So just drawing a rough outline of the people just to suggest, I don't want to get too bogged down in the details. So now that I got the basic layout, time to work on the tones, or the values, I suppose. With mountains, you kind of want to make them like a pyramid shape, and the tonal studies are quite important because it really just makes it look 3D. It's something I'm still working on, and I hope with more practice I can get better. But you can see by kind of casting the shadows in similar directions, it's just making it stand out a little bit more, making it look a bit more 3D. I did intend to make one video for each prompt this month, but because I was traveling, I did fall a little bit behind. So I probably won't be doing a video for each prompt. I might combine some together. And I did run out of storage as well when I was recording, so some aren't recorded. However, at the end, I will be doing a sketchbook tour, so you will be able to see all the sketches. And it's hard to know when to stop, but I think I'm almost done with it. I'm just adding a little bit more texture. And then I'm referring back to my colours to see which one I want for the sky. I tend to use cerulean blue for it. I was a little bit apprehensive of putting colour down for this sketch because I like how it turned out just with the ink. So I did take a bit of a risk. And I'm not sure if it did pay off because I found the mountains a little bit tricky to paint. Again, with practice, and there are a few prompts that kind of point towards something mountainous, so I could do it a few times and hopefully improve. So I'm trying to leave some areas white and darkening up some areas as well, adding more definition to the sky. And there you have it. Day 6, all done.